Cardinals, do you ever seen a ship where cars and people roll on together? Yeah, that's the power of Roro and Ropax vessel, the unsung heroes of modern maritime logistics. This is why Roro and Ropax vessels are so important. Yeah, uh, this video I will share to you the different and the important of the Roro and Ropax vessel. First time is Roro. Roro stand for roll on, roll off. It's a sleeping method where vehicles drive directly onto the ship, no crane, no containers, fast, safe, and efficient for cars, truck, even its heavy machinery, you know. And then Ropax. Ropax means roll on and roll off passengers. These hybrid vessels carry both vehicles and people, perfect for short trips, island connection, and regional travel. Yeah, here's why Roro and Ropax vessels are game changers. They have speed, cost efficiency, safety, eco-friendly, and connectivity. For speed, quick loading, unloading, safe times. Cost efficiency is no crane, less labor, lower cost. For the safety, they have a minimum handling means less damage, so. And then eco-friendly, it's because the efficiency design reduce the emission. And the connectivity, they link islands, cities, and countries like highway and sea, so this is the importance of the Roro and Ropax vessels. For from tourism to trade, Ropax and Roro vessels keep regions connected and economies is moving. So they are not just a ship; they are lifelines. So why this is very important for Roro and Ropax. And if you next time you need to travel or ship cargo, so you can think Roro. The sea just got smarter. Okay, just subscribe, like, and share this video to your friend. Bye bye.